Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. As OAVS exam is coming nearer, here I collect some MCQ from the topic life processes. As I analyze the previous year question, life process is very much mark fetching topic. I hope it will be helpful for those who applied for the OAVS Tgt Science. So let's start the MCQs. The first question is, which of the following are energy rich foods? So the options you see here, the answer will be carbohydrates and fats. So here the answer is carbohydrates and fats, which are rich in energy rich food. So now come to the second question. In which mode of nutrition an organism derives its food from the body of another living organism without killing it? Options are saprotrophic, parasitic, holozoic or autotrophic. Here the question is that the organism derives its food from the other living organism without killing it, means here the most appropriate answer will be the parasitic nutrition. So here the parasitic nutrition will be the right answer. Option 3. The mode of nutrition found in fungi is parasitic, holozoic, autotrophic or saprotrophic. So the mode of nutrition that is found commonly in fungi is saprotrophic, but there are some parasitic fungi are also there, but there is no autotrophic or holozoic nutrition found in fungi. So here the most appropriate answer will be option D, that is the saprotrophic mode of nutrition. Then question number 4. Roots of the plant absorb water from the soil through the process of diffusion, transpiration, osmosis or none of this. So here the roots of the plants that absorb water from the soil in the process of osmosis, that is the movement of molecule from lower concentration region to high concentration region through a semi-permeable membrane. Okay, it is not the process of diffusion, and transpiration is the evaporation process. It is completely different. So here the roots of the plant that absorb water from the soil by the process of osmosis. So here the answer will be option C. Next, question number 5. The site of photosynthesis in the cell of a leaf is chloroplast. As you will see, it is the most easiest question. So site of photosynthesis. If the question will be the organ of photosynthesis, then the answer will be leaf. So as it asks us the site of photosynthesis in the cell of a leaf, the answer will be option A, that is chloroplast. Next, question number 6. In amoeba, food is digested in the food vacuole, mitochondria, pseudopodia or chloroplast. So here the answer will be option A, that is food vacuole, because amoeba is a small organism, it is a unicellular organism, it doesn't have complex tissue level structure or complex body organelles. So it engulfs its food by making a food vacuole. So the option A will be the appropriate answer. Next question number 7. Which of the following event in the mouth cavity will be affected if salivary amylase is lacking in the saliva? So the question is that which event in the mouth cavity will be affected if salivary amylase, which is the enzyme, is lacking in the saliva? If in our saliva there is a lack of salivary amylase, so which one of the option will be correct? Starch breaking down into sugar, protein breaking down into amino acids, absorption of vitamins, fats breaking down into fatty acids and glycerol. So the option here is the first option, that is option A, starch breaking down into sugars. Okay, so the most common enzyme, that is salivary amylase, which is applicable for the breakdown of the starch into sugar. So if our buccal cavity or the mouth cavity lack of salivary amylase, then the option A, starch breaking down into sugars, cannot be done. So the question number 8. Which region of the alimentary canal absorb the digested food? Stomach, small intestine, large intestine, liver. It is a very much important question. So you think first that which region of the alimentary canal absorb the digested food? Our digestive system starts from buccal cavity and ends in anus. So in between this, the esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine are there. But liver is not the answer, because liver is the accessory gland. So here the small intestine is the answer. The option B will be correct. Which region of the alimentary canal absorb the digested food? Small intestine absorb the digested food. Question 9. The contraction and expansion movement of the wall of the food pipe is called translocation, transpiration, peristaltic movement or digestion. remember one thing, if there is terms like contraction and expansion, then the answer will be peristaltic movement, or it is also called as peristalsis. That is the expansion and contraction of the movement of the food pipe. Okay, so here the answer will be option C. Next question. When a few drops of iodine solutions are added to rice water, the solution turns blue-black in color. This indicates that rice water contains what? Fat, complex protein, starch, or simple protein. So if we add few drops of iodine solution in a rice water, then it turns blue-black in color because of the presence of starch. So here the option C will be the correct answer. Now come to question number 11. The exit of unabsorbed food material is regulated by liver, anus, small intestine, or anal sphincter. Here the question is slightly tricky. The question is that the exit of unabsorbed food material is regulated by. Okay, so it is regulated means here the answer will be option D, that is the anal sphincter. Okay, here the answer will be the option C. Anal sphincter is regulated the excretion of the metabolites. What are the products obtained by anaerobic respiration in plants? If plant do anaerobic respiration, that is the respiration during the absence of oxygen or little amount of oxygen, then it is called anaerobic respiration. So lactic acid plus energy, carbon dioxide plus water plus energy, ethanol plus carbon dioxide plus energy, or pyruvate. Remember one thing, there is a process of fermentation called, that is alcoholic fermentation and lactic acid fermentation. But here the question is, the products obtained by anaerobic respiration in plant is the correct option will be option C, ethanol plus carbon dioxide plus energy. Okay. Next, question number 13. The breakdown of pyruvate to give carbon dioxide, water, and energy takes place in which part? Cytoplasm, mitochondria, chloroplast, and nucleus. Again, read the question. The breakdown of pyruvate, okay, to give in carbon dioxide, to give pyruvate breakdown to give carbon dioxide and water energy takes place in the mitochondria. So as you all know, glycolysis is the process by which glucose is converted to pyruvate, which is generally occur in the cytosol. After that, pyruvate enter into the mitochondria for further oxidation. So this will done inside the mitochondria. So option B will be the answer, correct answer. Question number 14. Glycolysis process occurs in which part of the cell? I recently tell you that glycolysis is the process by which the breakdown of glucose, which is a 6-carbon compound, occur into the breakdown of 2 molecules of pyruvate or pyruvic acid, which is a 3-carbon compound. So this all over process is done inside the cytoplasm. So here option A is the correct answer. Next. So here, name the substance which build up in the muscle during vigorous physical exercise may cause cramps. It is a very important question and it will be repeated from previous year questions. I just ask you the answer of that question. So name the substance which build up in the muscle during when you do vigorous exercise, physical exercise. So here the option B will be the correct answer. Lactic acid plus energy, which cause cramps, okay, cramping in our legs. When we do vigorous exercise in our muscles, there is formation of lactic acid and energy. Next, name the pores in a leaf through which respiratory exchange of gases takes place. And I want to tell you one thing, this pore also helps in transpiration process. I think you know the answer, that is the option D, stomata. So stomata is a little pore that is found either upper side or lower side of the leaf or in the both side of the leaf, which have various functions, like it also exchanges the gases and it also helps in loss of water. Okay, that is called transpiration, the loss of water from the aerial part of the plant body. So here option D will be the correct answer. Next, the respiratory pigment in human being is carotene, chlorophyll, hemoglobin or mitochondria? So here the answer will be option C. Option C, that is hemoglobin, is the correct answer, which is a respiratory pigment in human being. Next, which plant tissue transport water? So the next question is, the movement of food in phloem is called transpiration, translocation, respiration and evaporation. So the respiration, evaporation, transpiration, these are all wrong answers. So the movement of food in phloem is generally termed as translocation. Remember this is not transportation. Okay, transportation and translocations are two different things. The movement of food by phloem is called translocation. Next, a blood vessels which pump the blood from the heart to entire body is generally called as what? Option A, artery. Okay. So arteries are generally carry the oxygenated blood and veins carry the deoxygenated blood, and the small blood vessels are generally called as capillary. Okay. So artery is the correct answer because it carry the oxygenated blood from the heart and transport it to the entire body. Next, name a circulatory fluid in the human body other than blood. So except blood, there are also another circulatory fluid that is found in our body, that is the lymph. So here option C will be the correct answer. So the circulatory fluid in the human body other than blood, the answer is lymph. Next, question number 22. Single circulation, that is blood flow through the heart only once during one cycle of passage through the body, is exhibited by which of the following? These are some examples. Okay. Whale, dolphin, turtle, hyla, rana, draco, labio, chameleon, salamander, hippocampus, exocetus and anabas. So here the option D will be the correct answer. So the single circulation, as you all know, the circulation is of two types, single circulation and double circulation. So here the option D will be the correct answer. Name the tube which connects the kidney to the urinary bladder. It is also a easiest question. So the tube that is connect the kidneys to the urinary bladder. Options are urethra, nephron, tubules and ureter. So I think you know the answer, that is option D, ureter. Ureter connects the kidney to the urinary bladder. Which part of the nephron allows the selective reabsorption of useful substances like glucose, amino acids, salts and water into the blood capillaries? So it is a very much important question, that is the selective reabsorption process. The correct answer will be option A, that is tubule. Okay. Glomerulus, Bowman's capsule and ureter, these are not the correct answer. So tubule is the correct answer where the selective reabsorption takes place. Where is the dirty blood in our body filtered? Heart, lung, ureter and kidney. Actually the answer is kidney, but the most appropriate answer is ureter, where the selective reabsorption will occur. So the answer is, where is the dirty blood in our body filtered? If there is option ureter, then you can choose the ureter option. If there is only kidney and there is no ureter, then kidney is also the right answer. Next question. The procedure used for cleaning the blood of a person by separating urea from it is called dialysis. Okay, it is a common term. We can use it in our daily life. So the procedure used for cleaning the blood of a person by separating urea from it is called dialysis. Option C will be correct. Next, which is the correct sequence of body parts in the human alimentary canal? Just I say before that the digestive system start from mouth to anus. So here which answer will be correct? So first our buccal cavity, then esophagus, then stomach, small intestine and large intestine. So here option B will be the correct answer. That is the sequence of body parts in the human alimentary canal: mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine. Next and the last question. So here identify the correct path of urine in the human body. Okay, so here you can find the correct path of urine in the human body. The option is what? Kidney, then urinary bladder, urethra or ureter, urinary bladder, ureter, kidney or urethra, kidney, ureter, urethra, urinary bladder, or kidney, ureter, urinary bladder and urethra. So option D will be the correct answer. The correct path of urine in the human body is kidney, ureter, urinary bladder and urethra. So this is all about the MCQs regarding the life processes. So if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe and recommend to your friends. Thank you.